The RHPL Summer Reading app is a fun and easy way to participate in your summer reading challenge. Simply go to your app store and type Beanstack in the search bar. Download and open the Beanstack Tracker app. Look for the blue box with the white heart. Once the app opens, tap Let's Go and choose the school, library, or bookstore organization type. Tap Find a Site. Type in Rochester Hills Public Library into the search bar. Remember to include Hills to find RHPL's reading challenges. You can create an account from here or log into your already existing account. Use the app to easily track reading and activities at the touch of a button. Happy reading!